Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to uninstall McAfee antivirus permanently. You may have downloaded and installed McAfee mistakenly, and now you may be facing with unwanted pop-ups or McAfee won't let you install another software or causing any other problems. I will show you an application which can delete all registry and all files of McAfee permanently from your computer. As you can see that the uninstall option is grayed out, and without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open any browser. Here I am going to open Google Chrome and search for McAfee removal tool. Here click on the first site. This is a MCPR tool and click on it. Now scroll down and click on the MCPR tool. The file is already downloaded and you just have to click on it. The file is now being extracting. Click next, agree, click on next again. Here you will have to fill the code for security validation. Click on next. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to complete the process. You will have to wait patiently and let the process complete. After the process completed, you will have to restart your computer. Now let's check again if the McAfee is removed or is it still there. You should be able to see that the McAfee is not there and it is permanently deleted from my computer. If you find this video informative, leave a thumbs up and let me know by commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.